let's make marinade for my roast. I'm gonna roast my leg of lamb, beautiful, and in marinade, we're gonna use hoisin sauce packed with umami. Hoisin, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, 5 spices, white pepper, and sesame seed, and last not least, garlic. Let's grate it. Yes. It's all up. So for this one, I will marinate 24 hours. So I need to plan a little bit ahead. Now the last thing that you need to do is score the lamb. I've got about a 2 kilo of the leg of lamb, beautiful New Zealand lamb, and then let's score. I will just penetrate the marinade into the flesh. So I'll have more tasty lamb. One on here, and I pour the marinade. The back as well. All right, let's cover and then put this one into the fridge for overnight. Okay. Okay, so what I normally do before I go to sleep, I will just turn the meat around and put marinade, make sure that it's coated well, and then tomorrow I will cook. There you go. Let's cook. So I normally bring this lamb out of the fridge an hour before the cooking time. I'm gonna leave this one on the side for about an hour. Right, for the roast veggies, I'm gonna have lots of different things. Okay, the pumpkin, celery, carrots, and onions. I'm gonna chop them nice and a big bite size like this. Put them onto the roasting pan. And I'm gonna have that roasting pan with all the veggies underneath of the lamb. So I'm gonna capture all the juices from the lamb while I'm cooking. Which one first? Onion. Some people ask and say, hey, look, Sachi, what do you like about cooking? I say, oh, I don't really enjoy cooking. I much rather stay outside and have a glass of wine or bubbles and have a chit chat. What I enjoy the most, though, is what the food does to people. You know, food is, to me, is that there's no races around the food. You know, people do need to eat food. And when you cook a good food, and then, you know, whatever the food that you cook, Indian food, Malaysian food, Japanese food, as long as the food is nice and tasty, or just bring people around the table, and then we have a laughter. That's what I enjoy the most. All right, so this is ready. So in terms of the veggies, you can use anything that you have in your fridge, basically. You can chuck the capsicums and whatever the veggie that you have. If you only had the pumpkin, just go with the pumpkins. When you do the roasting veggies, I guess that you will do a drizzle some oils and pepper salt, right? For this one, I'm not doing anything because I'm gonna use the nice drizzle from the lamb. Because marinade is so tasty. Okay, it's been roughly about an hour. Keeping this one is outside. Okay, let's cook. I'm gonna have a veggie tray underneath, and I'm gonna have this rack on top of it, sitting. There you go. So basically, I want to capture all of the juice and the fat coming out of the lamb goes into the veggie. So the tricky bit is placing it in the oven. I'm not going to waste that. I can glaze it later. Right, let's put this one in the oven. So first, I'm going to have veggie underneath. This is where I need to be careful. I might get that burn. Perfect. Done. Now, all I need to do is I need to wait. Okay, lamb is ready. Let's remove. Veg is good. And the lamb. There you go. Nice lamb. Okay, let's rest it on the side. For veggie, I'm gonna sprinkle a bit of the sea salt. Right, let's rest it on the side. Like that. End bit is the perfect bit. Oh, the marinade. Worth the wait. Oh, I'm taking that one home. You can have it. Next, roast potatoes.